Consider a population where 25% of the individuals display the recessive phenotype. The number of individuals which display the recessive phenotype is Q squared in the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. And since Q squared equals 0.25, the frequency of the Q allele is 0.5. Given that P plus Q equals 1, or 100% of the alleles of the population, when Q equals 0.5, then the frequency of the P allele is also 0.5. In a population where half of the sperm and half of the ova possess the dominant P allele, and half the sperm and ova possess the recessive Q allele, one can calculate the frequencies in which individuals will be homozygous for the P allele by multiplying these two frequencies, will be heterozygous for the P and Q alleles, or will be homozygous for the Q allele. And thus, P squared, the number of homozygous P individuals, 2PQ, the number of heterozygotes, and Q squared, the individuals who are homozygous for the Q allele. This equals 100% of the population, just as the sum of the frequency of the P and Q alleles equals 1, 100% of the alleles of the population.